I'm going to show you exactly how to do a slip knot and chain stitch for absolute beginners. This video walks you through exactly what you need to know to start crocheting with a slip knot and then chain stitches.
Welcome to my channel, Beautiful Design Crochet, run by me, Jenna. Let's crochet something cozy together.
Purposes of this tutorial, I am using a 6mm hook and worsted weight acrylic yarn. All materials needed are in the caption. Start by making your slip knot. But I wrap the yarn around my index finger twice and overlap the back loop to the front loop, and then again to pull through to a slip knot. Then I put it on my hook. Make sure your slip knot around your hook isn't so tight because you need to move your hook freely. Hold only the tail of your slip knot with the hand that you're holding your hook with. Wrap the yarn under the hook and back around to yarn under. From the yarn over, you will have 2 loops on your hook. Pull through one of the loops. You will make your first chain. The loop on your hook does not count as a chain. You probably already know the amount of stitches you need for each row of your project, but do you know how many foundation chains you need? To figure this out, you need to add the amount of stitches you will make for each row to the height of the first row of the stitches you make. I know that's pretty confusing, right? So, for example, if you are doing a row of single crochet, you will only need 1 extra chain to match the height of the first row of stitches. You will do the amount of stitches in the row, and then you will add 1 chain for the height. But if you're doing a row of double crochet, you will need 3 extra chains. Say you need 15 double crochets. Your foundation chain will begin with 15 chains plus 3 for the height of the double crochet. Most patterns will say to start your work, make a slip knot, chain X, which is the amount of chains or the amount of stitches per row, plus Y. And the Y is a little extra amount to get your next row started to make the height of the stitches you will be doing.
Thanks so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button to be a part of this crafty community and learn more.